Brisbane is a multi-ethnic city known for its cuisine, culture and laid-back charm. Brisbane is a relaxed urban metropolis with stunning natural assets, year-round clear skies and a subtropical outdoor lifestyle. The city with the spirit of timeless nature will greet you warmly here. Brisbane is a remarkably diverse city that offers attractions for people of all tastes. The city is full of delights, including South Bank's cultural attractions, Fortitude Valley's live music venues and festivals, New Farm's farmers market, the botanical gardens' tranquil picnic areas, and delicious Chinese food in kitsch Chinatown. In Brisbane there is no shortage of popular attractions to see and explore. Cultural Centre, which features top-notch galleries and entertainment, is located on the South Bank, across the river from the CBD. Visit the GABA or Suncorp Stadium to witness championship sporting events or experience an adrenaline rush by climbing the Story Bridge adventure. Discover Brisbane's breathtaking natural surroundings just an hour from the city, including the scenic Rim, Somerset and Ipswich, where there are plenty of waterfalls, lookouts and mountains to climb, while Moreton Island and the Redlands coast offer crystal clear waters, wildlife encounters, snorkeling, sandboarding and other activities. Beautiful Bribie Island is a sand island situated in Moreton Bay's northern region, across the Palmerston Passage. It is the most easily accessible sand island in Queensland and can be reached by bridge in about 30 minutes from the city centre. It's a wonderful residential and vacation island that provides a laid-back way of life and a simple weekend getaway.
While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.
Brisbane is great because you can spend days exploring the city, taking in some of that gorgeous Queensland sun and barely depleting your bank account. Brisbane City has a distinctive mix of all the new structures sprinkled with the city gardens and parks where you can relax and observe the bustling city at work. The Brisbane Convention and Exhibition Centre is a cutting-edge, top-notch, purpose-built convention centre that draws exhibitions and conferences from all over the world. It is conveniently situated in South Bank Parklands on the banks of the Brisbane River. The Brisbane Convention and Exhibition Centre is the most decorated location in Australia and is regarded as one of the top 3 convention centres in the world. Fortitude Valley, also referred to as the Valley by locals, is the coolest suburb in Brisbane. It is the centre of live music in Queensland and a great fostering suburb for upcoming designers, artists and musicians. It is situated just outside the city. From the early 1900s to 1960s, when the suburb was a thriving shopping district, it has a rich history. There are grilling stations, fireplaces, picnic shelters and tables available at Brisbane Forest Park. There are many secluded campsites off the beaten path in the park's backcountry if you don't mind roughing it in the bush.